Thanks for this question. This is a really good one because reasoning beyond the text gets people a lot. So I read through the reply and kind of the comment that you had, and something that stuck out to me was like, oh, the answer choices feel like they're not even in the text. That's completely the point. They do it on purpose, and that's how reasoning beyond the text is formatted. The point of it is that you're supposed to extract from the question stem what they're talking about in relation to the passage, and then kind of like apply it to the questions to pick your best match of what that. So if the answer choices feel like not like they're in the text, there's probably clues that you're missing in the question stem that can help you find the answer. So when you're going through the question stem, you want to look for, like, within the situation that they give you in the question stem, how does that relate back to anything that you've read previously in the passage? So that's the first step. If you can figure out like what topic they're referencing from that little situation in the actual like question itself, then you can always go back in the passage if you don't remember and kind of freshen up on like the details that they gave you. So it's good to like go back to the original sentence with that topic, look at maybe the sentence above or below, and get some details from there. When you get to the answer choices, probably the easiest thing that you can do is once you figure out what topic they're referencing from the passage, let's say it was in like paragraph 3 and 4, you can start breaking up the answers and see like, does this refer to topics in paragraph 3 or 4 or something different like somewhere else in the passage? If the answer refers to stuff that's outside of like the paragraphs that you're looking at, then you can cross out the answer because it's probably not going to be in the context of what the question wants you to look at. Because if they're referring to a specific topic, then yeah, you want to focus on that scope within the question. If you're looking for like some examples of that, I have a video on my channel. I know I'm like plugging the channel a lot, but it's nice to see an example of it, and I have a video on how to break down like the 3 types of cars questions. Yep, so this is the video, and it'll probably be really helpful because I have a whole section on reasoning beyond the text, so exactly what you're looking for.